Hey, welcome back to Wheels Forgotten. Today we're taking our '06 Charger up to the dyno finally to get everything dialed in, dyno tuned, hopefully get you a number. So we'll join you back there when we get up the road and get this thing unloaded, and it's an exciting day for us here today. So we'll see you there.
Back up a little bit. All right, you brung your handheld?
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Well, guys, you saw it right here. Over 420 horsepower at the wheels and 400 foot-pounds of torque pretty much across the entire curve. Excellent, beautiful flat curve on that. Keep in mind, this was also on a hub dyno. So I'm told by the owners there that the hub dyno reads roughly 8% lower than your typical dyno jet or something along the chassis dyno of those lines. So if you do the math and convert it back to power loss, and probably well over 510, 520 horsepower at the crank. So right on target with our goals with this build. Overall, I can't tell you how pleased I am with these results, especially for a motor that is really only about 9.5 to 1 compression, run all day on pump gas, reliably, cool. And that's kind of what the goal was here with that. We are still fighting a little bit of tuning issues with it. Some drivability problems, but it does seem to, I mean, for what it is, it seems to be pretty great, pretty happy with it. There's a lot of troubleshooting. It was a lot of work, guys. A lot of tuning, a lot of back and forth, a lot of parts changes, updating the fuel system. I mean, it has just been, from start to finish, it's taken over a year, which is insane. This car is actually getting ready to go and get resprayed. Have a couple other updates for you on that. It's going to get a new hood, have a new set of wheels and proper wheels and tires for the car. All that's to come. So if you like this kind of content and you want to see more of it, and Like I said, this was a very quick video, pretty short, probably under 10 minutes for just mainly reasons of logging and just wanted to see what the numbers were. I figured I'd make a video out of it just so you have something to look at. So if you could throw a comment down there, let me know what you think. I'd really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time here on Wheels Forgotten.